guys, welcome to Veganuary day 14.
Yay!
Hope you're hanging in there. Hope you're having an easy time. I hope you're enjoying feeling better without all of the animal products. You probably should be feeling better after 2 weeks, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, if you gave up cheese and had a hard time doing it, it should be lessening its grip on you right now because, you know, it is very addictive. So for a little change of pace, we usually do these hauls on our vlog channel, but we're doing it on this channel today. And unfortunately, we didn't buy a lot of stuff, but we could talk about what we got.
Got some good stuff here.
I'm having surgery tomorrow, so we wanted to get an extra video in here because I'm going to be really out of it tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, we'll start over here. We got some beautiful seltzer. Ooh.
We have completely given up soda for how many years now?
Quite a few.
Probably at least, I want to say like 4 years maybe?
At least, if not more. We used to drink it all the time.
We used to drink a lot of diet soda. And never regular, but diet, which is probably worse than regular soda in some respects.
I mean, they each have their...
Yeah, evils.
Yeah.
So we just drink seltzer or water. You don't even drink juice anymore, really.
No, for a while I was really heavy on the juice.
Yeah.
And then I realized how much sugar it had.
You want the juice?
I was.
It's really not good for you, juice, because you're just taking the sugar out of the fiber. And the reason why fruit is good and doesn't spike your blood sugar as much is because the fiber is there to slow it down. So juice is bad.
The more you know.
Yeah. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, I also got an outfit for my procedure tomorrow.
Ooh.
For my kidney stone going away party.
This is so soft.
I hope I'm not going to look like a freaking Real Housewife of...
I mean, you might, but is that a bad thing?
Of dump water.
No. No. Real Housewife of Orange County, but not the fun...
California Orange
what?
County. I think pretty much every state has an Orange County. I don't know. I got my husband a plaid shirt too. It was $6, so nice. It was Eddie Bauer. We have some very nice ciabatta rolls. Not the greatest, but
we're just keeping it real.
We're on the bagel detox. We haven't had bagels for the last 14 days.
Even before that, because I didn't have one.
Oh, that's true. So it's been more than 14 days.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we got some convenience food. We got some Gardein crispy tenders because...
Sam's Club now sells this in the big bag and it's so nice.
We're real people. We're real busy.
I don't think you have to justify everything. It's okay.
Yes, I know it's not
healthy. I know
healthy.
you're feeling that Catholic guilt that has been ingrained in you, but it's okay.
I can let it go now.
You can let it go.
I also got some organic soy milk because they didn't have the oat milk, which was really bummed out, you know, about... So,
this works though.
It'll work.
Yeah.
We got some roasted red pepper hummus.
Ooh, I love that flavor.
This family runs on hummus.
It really does.
Yeah.
That quote really does apply.
It's like a staple, for sure. And I got some junky ketchup. And I'm really pissed that I got the Sweet Baby Ray's.
Why?
It's delicious, but it has high fructose corn syrup.
Oh.
First ingredient.
Okay. Well, let's continue on.
But you know what? I was so tired. I just couldn't walk over to the other aisle because that was like in the seasonal aisle for We got some beautiful Angel Sweet tomatoes.
These are like my favorite because they're so freaking sweet. A lot of times I'll just go over here, pop some in my mouth because they're so good.
This is her feeding trough over here.
Yeah.
We got some beautiful sliced mushrooms all ready to go, so we got no excuse for making fresh food.
Mm-hmm.
She wanted the Brussels sprouts.
Yes, I used to hate these growing up, but as an adult, I've grown to really love them, and I've been wanting them for a while, but they're usually pretty expensive.
Yeah.
This bag was what, like $4
and change.
Which I guess isn't great, but...
It's the going rate.
Yeah, so
it's not a sale price or anything.
Yeah, I'm planning on making these on like Wednesday, I
There's
think.
a lot of vitamin C in there.
Yeah.
Good for you.
It's an excellent source of vitamin C.
Oh, okay. Well, I got 2 broccoli because there's an upcoming video.
That's for tomorrow's dinner.
That's right. So you'll be seeing that on Wednesday.
Yeah.
Maddie is making some garlic broccoli and pasta. Mmm. I got 2 bags of salad because I want to get back on the salad train, even though it's junky iceberg.
Yeah.
But there's red cabbage in there and there's carrots. I can't with the romaine anymore, and I'm so sick of the spring mix. Nothing makes my heart sink more than reaching into the spring mix box.
And it's all slimy.
And you get a slimy turd in there. I can't. So I have to eat paper lettuce. And we splurged and got some Cara oranges. I love these. They're a little bit sweeter. They are pink on the inside. My mom she loves these. She gets the blood oranges too.
Yeah,
she really likes the blood oranges, but this is kind of like a cross between the blood oranges and the regular oranges. So basically that's all we got, because we went food shopping the other night and picked up the staples like pasta and bread, and I mean we just got the rolls today, but we buy the like Dave's Killer bread.
We eat a lot of bread.
We do eat a lot of bread. Bread is life.
It is. I
am the bread of life. Okay. I'm not. Did you think I was? No, I'm not. Anyway, yeah. I mean, if you want to see what other staples we got, it's going to be on the vlog channel, because I think we did vlog that one. And truth be told, the last one that we did was not much of a haul either, because we're pretty much stocked up on a lot of stuff. So, we're full to the gills.
Alright, well anyway.
That was day 14. I hope we didn't disappoint you too much.
It's okay. We'll see you guys tomorrow, and until then, much love.